welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Base Box for August. This was sent to me in PR, and I actually will be coming back probably tomorrow and doing PR versus customer paid for Base Box for August. Wow. Okay, my brain is like slowly falling asleep, guys. Mom came over last night. We had a little girls' night, wine party time, and I stayed up way too late and my brain is way too tired. So if I seem off, that's why, but we had a good old time. So anyways, guys, like I said, today is going to be the unboxing of our August 2020 Boxycharm Base Box. So before we jump into the video, as always, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we embrace the hot mess. We pretty much run on a lot of caffeine. Other than today, I've not had enough. But fortunately, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk, we chat about makeup, and we remember it's only makeup. It's not that serious. We're just here to have a good old time and forget about the crazy that's going on around us. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what the Boxycharm Base Box is. Now, if you guys are new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It is $25 a month for this particular base box, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. Now, I forgot to weigh the box for you guys, so I will pop up on the screen the weight of the box. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Now, I did get a card in this. Oh, I did get a card in here, and there is a theme to the boxes every single month. So this month's box is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber, and it tells you a little information about everything in your box as far as the variation. You'll find it down here in the corner, and I do have variation 24 if you guys are curious. So jumping right into the first item that I see in the box, this was a choice item, and as long as you log into your account on the day of choice dates, which we've already had for September, but this was in July 13th, maybe, I can't remember, but there was 4 different items we got to choose from. So one of the items, and by the way, I did not choose, they chose for me because, like I said, this is PR. This is the Glamglow Moisturetrip Omega Moisturizer. This has a retail value of $54, and a little information about it. It's a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega-rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. This smoothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provide instant relief for skin stress. Like I said, retail value of $54. Now, I did pick this particular item up during add-ons because, like I said, when you get it in PR, you don't get to choose what your items are. And so just to ensure that I did get this, I did pick it up for $12 in the add-ons, and so now I have a backup. I can tell you, I've tried it out. I really like the texture. I found it to be very, very comfortable on my face, no irritation or anything, and it was really nice and definitely moisturizing. Moving on to the next item. Now, this I've already received. I actually received it earlier in the month in PR as well as in my personal purchase box, and this is a Teddy Boy 9-piece eyeshadow palette. So this is going to be set aside for one of you guys or Haley, whoever, but this is my personal palette that I've already been into. This is by Butter London, and this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It is like a trifold, and on one side you do have a mirror, and it's kind of hard to show the colors because of the background, but it is very pretty. It is very cool tone neutral. I feel like this palette is very specific to people that only like cool tone neutral shades. So I think that if you are not into cool tones, you're absolutely going to hate this color scheme or this palette. But I can tell you guys, I did do a look over on Instagram, so if you're following me over there, thank you guys so much. We are trying to grow that up to 10K, you guys know, so I want to thank you guys in advance for all of you guys who've jumped over there and followed me. It's just at HOTMESSMOMMA for MOMMA. of 4. But I did use the shades over here. I did find that they were very easy to work with. When it came to the shimmers, I got the most and the best payoff when I actually applied it with my finger. They're not like insanely pigmented shimmers, like, you know how some shimmers are like super creamy and buttery. Like, I felt like the mattes in here, I really liked the way the mattes performed, but the more I played with the shimmers, the more I felt like I just don't get the payoff of the shimmers that I really like unless I use my finger. But like I said, when it came to this palette, I felt like it was definitely more of a specific type of palette that is only going to be geared towards people that like those cool neutral shades. Was I bummed that I did not get the Violet Voss Essential 2 palette? Yes, but you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. For 25 bucks, I really can't complain. Okay, so moving on, a little information that it does say Butter London Teddy Boy palette. Highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone neutral hues. Create an array of looks with a matte shimmer and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy to carry, mirrored compact. Retail value $28. Moving right along to the next item that I received in this box, and this is actually I got this 4-piece brush collection by Morphe, and I don't think I actually have these. I have some Morphe brushes, and here I've got like a bunch of eye brushes over here. So I am going to go ahead and open this up because I am curious to see what the brushes look like up close. Ooh, I really like, they seem like longer than normal. Are they? Yeah, this is like a Morphe brush. They do seem to be just a little bit longer. I like that. So these brushes actually look really nice. I do like the size of this one because I have slightly hooded eyes. So I feel like this is going to get into the crease really well. Ooh, yeah, this one, I already have ones like that. So maybe I'll set that one aside. But I really like this one because, again, let me do a close-up for you guys. Again, I feel like it's going to be nice and precise in that, like, in my lids. I don't have a lot of real estate when it comes to my lids, so I'm really happy with these sizes right here. And I think these two I may just set aside, see if Haley wants them or one of you guys put it in a giveaway. But overall, really like those. Little information about this. It says I got this brush set is a retail value of $12. Oh, these babes, just the 4 natural synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Pull off all of the gorgeous looks. Woo! Round up. Go on and give them a sweep. Collection oval shadow brush, pro firm blending crease brush, tapered mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush. $12 retail value. I think this is a great set. I really do. So if you can get this as an add-on maybe next month or something, I think you'll be really happy with it. Moving on to the next item, there are 2 more items in here. The next one is the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer, and just to check, I would assume it's the same shade that I already have. Let's see. I do believe it is. Okay, I have this one. I did receive it in my paid for box, so I will set this one aside. So this is what the box looks like, and I will pull out the one that I received because I did swatch this one, and I felt like it was a nice and cool tone. I didn't feel like, for me personally, I don't think it's going to be like the best bronzer, but I felt like for contour wise, this will be really nice. So that is a retail value of, I dropped my card, sorry guys. A retail value of $24, and it does say the Sunset Bronzer is the perfect shade of the amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tones, you know, I'm trying to think. I played with it, but I can't remember what I thought about it. So sorry guys, my brain is literally falling asleep. It is, woo! Okay, so the first ingredient is talc and then mica as well. So like I said, I felt like it was pretty, but it reminded me more of like my Marc Jacobs Tantastic, where it has more of that cooler tone, where I feel like I get more of like a contour type of thing. So that is the item that I received. And then last was the Realher I Am Inspiring Brow Pencil. Why did I forget to use this? I totally could have used this today. Now, I've never tried their eye pencil before. I'm assuming it's a brown. Oh, it is. Yay. What shade is it? Ooh. I feel like it's gonna be dark. What shade is this? It does not say. Oh well, I'll still use it. Maybe feather it out real lightly. And then on the other side, you do have a itty bitty little spoolie. Ooh, so little. So that's cute. Okay, a little information about this. The Definer Pencil Brow does have a retail value of $16. This long-lasting micro tip pencil allows you to create individual like hair strokes. So yeah, I could definitely see that. So I think that it would be really good to fake that because I don't have the strongest brow game. So I'm excited to try this one out. Overall, my thoughts on this particular box. Let's go ahead and do a retail value first of everything together, because I did forget to do that. Because I am like on my A game today, baby, said not me. So this box total did come to $134. And again, this is a $25 a month box plus tax. Overall, I don't think this is a bad box. I don't think that it is maybe my favorite box that I've gotten, just to keep it 100 with you guys. Like I said, this was more of a me problem because this is now my third Teddy Boy palette that I have received, and I really wanted that Violet Voss one. But like I said, I didn't think it was like a horrible palette or anything. I did get to create pretty looks. I have tried this moisturizer and I do like this, and this alone is worth $54. And I will definitely use this, and this is going in a giveaway. But overall, I don't think it's a bad box. But if you watched my paid for box, video coming soon. Actually, I'm going to end this video and I'm going to do a head-to-head PR versus paid for. So if you guys are curious about the makeup that I do have on today, it is super simple. Well, simple for me because yeah, girl was too tired to do like a full beat. So I kept it really simple, and I went ahead, primed my skin with my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I'm loving this, and again, some of you guys may have seen this in your boxes this month. Another item that you may have seen in your box, because this was a choice for the base box, this was for the premium box. This is a QMS Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. This is what I just used as my foundation, I guess you could say. And then I did add a little bit of my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It has a satin finish. I love it. I do have my Milani Conceal and Perfect powder on. And then as far as my bronzer, I just have my OFRA. I actually have a 20% off coupon with, it is an affiliate with OFRA Cosmetics. This is just the bronzer in Americano. Blushes, I have my collab blush. One is in Chatty, the darker shade, and this one is in Sweet Surprise. On my lips, I do have my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice with the ColourPop What's Your Sign. This was the collab with Kathleen Lights. Mascara is my Urban Decay, I cannot think, and I'm holding it. And then highlighters, Ciate London and Wonder Beauty mixed together. And then on my eyes, I have the Bailey Syrian palette from Estate. The collab, it was actually in our Ipsy box. So that is everything that is on my face. And let me know you guys' thoughts down below on this Boxycharm unboxing and this particular variation, which again was, I believe I said 24, right? Yes, variation 24. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Like I said, I'm going to hop off and I'm going to do head-to-head PR versus paid for and give you guys my final thoughts on everything over there in that video, which will be popping up probably tomorrow. So anyways, guys, if you are curious to sign up for Boxycharm, I always leave my link in the description box as well as in the comment section below. It is an affiliate code, so I do earn a little bit of a commission if you do use that to sign up, and if you do, thank you guys very much. As well as don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I shamelessly plug my Instagram all the time because, like I said, I want that swipey. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!